Hey guys, it's Dina, and today I am making curry ga, Vietnamese chicken curry. It is a Southeast Asian style of curry. Don't forget to subscribe and check that like button below. Vietnamese curry has a very rich and flavorful broth with a hint of coconut. It is generally served with a nice crusty bread that has a soft inside, perfect for dipping and soaking up all that broth flavor, creating the perfect bite for any eater. And sometimes it is served with rice noodles. But my favorite is to dip it in the broth to soak up all that flavor. Alright guys, let's get cooking. Here are some fresh and dry ingredients that you'll need to make this curry. The written ingredients and method will be available on my website. Links to my recipe and website are below in the description box. In a large cooking pot, approximately 8 quarts, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil. In addition, we'll be adding some aromatics. A 1/4 cup of sliced garlic. Stir on medium heat. This will gently saute the garlic and bring out nice, beautiful flavors. Saute the garlic for 2 to 4 minutes. To this, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of minced lemongrass. This is going to add a little bit of something extra to our curry flavor. Saute for 2 to 4 minutes to enhance the lemongrass flavor. To this, add 1/2 cup of fish sauce, any brand you would like. This will add a salty, savory flavor. Next, add 1/2 cup of sugar. This will balance out the saltiness of the fish sauce. Still on medium heat, mix until the sugar is dissolved. In addition, add 2 to 3 dry bay leaves. The herbal floral scent will balance out the fish sauce smell. Next, add 2 tablespoons of yellow curry powder. Not only is curry a tasty spice, it has many health benefits. Curry can give your immune system a boost, as well as relieve pain of arthritis. It can also help fight colon cancer. It lowers cholesterol and can help boost your metabolism. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika for a smokiness and also a richness to the broth. Still on medium heat, mix everything well till it's all incorporated. Allow the sauce to come to a simmer. Continue to stir to prevent burning. Simmer the sauce on medium heat so that all the flavors marry together. Now that the base sauce is done, we can add our chopped chicken pieces. You'll need about 3 to 4 pounds. Still on medium heat. Once the chicken is all added, mix it so that it's evenly coated with the sauce. Increase your heat to medium-high to bring the pot to a simmer. Add 2 cups of chopped yellow onions. I use 1 large yellow onion. Stir occasionally to cook all sides of the chicken. Give the mixture a minute or 2 to come back up to a simmer. Add 2 cups of chopped carrots. They take longer to cook than potatoes, so they go in first. Now that the chicken has had a few minutes to soak up all the seasoning that we've added to the sauce, let's add 1.5 quarts of water, which equates to 6 cups of water. After adding the water, stir very well to incorporate all the flavors. Allow the mixture to warm up and come back up to a simmer on medium-high heat. Once it begins to simmer, add 2 cups of chopped sweet potatoes and 2 cups of chopped potatoes. I'm using red potatoes. Give the pot a good stir so that all items are covered in broth and simmering away. Allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. That's all you'll need to cook the potatoes. After simmering for 10 minutes, it's time to finish up this pot of curry. In addition, we will add a cup of coconut cream. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of crushed chili to the level of spiciness that you desire. The smell in my kitchen is incredible, you guys, and we are all finished. Let's take a look at that beautiful golden coconut curry broth. Just from the smell alone, I know it's going to be delicious when I dunk my French baguette bread into that broth. Now it's my favorite part, the plating, because we're that much closer to the eating. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. I hope that you have enjoyed cooking with me and that you continue to practice and become the master chefs in your own home. If you enjoyed this video today, let me know in the comment section below and click the subscribe button as well as the like button to this video. Written recipes available on my website. Follow on IG for updates. Until next time, goodbye.